Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Today, I am going to be talking to you about one of crypto's best kept secrets. Yes, crypto's best kept secrets. I'm going to explain and tell you about the technology, the team, and the tokenomics behind this coin. And I tell you, you will see this is one of crypto's best kept secrets and you'll know why. My name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Please make sure that you share because sharing is caring. Also, remember guys, I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research. Okay, so what is this best kept secret? It is Zilliqa. It is the Zilliqa blockchain. And again, I told you, I'm going to talk to you about the technology, the team, and the tokenomics. Those are the 3 T's. And then you're going to see that this is a best kept secret. Zilliqa is a layer 1 blockchain. And they use a sharding technology. And basically with the sharding technology, what Zilliqa does is break up its transactions and its nodes and its transactions into smaller groups and different nodes, and that allows them to transact faster and more efficiently and a lot cheaper. And also Zilliqa was the first blockchain to actually use this sharding technology, so they are pioneers in this space. They know what they're doing. Okay, that's the first thing. Also, Zilliqa has a GZIL governance token. The governance token basically allows token holders to have more power and say in the Zilliqa ecosystem. This is powerful because as this ecosystem matures, as it gets larger, as there's more adoption, if you are a GZIL token holder, you're going to have more say in the direction of this particular network. That's another thing that's huge. Another thing, they currently have, Zilliqa has about $253 million total value locked up in DeFi, which is phenomenal. That means it has utility. Remember guys, I told you all, make sure your projects have utility. Utility means that your project has a purpose. That's why I can sleep at night. The market has been really crappy. It's been up and down, and it's going to be up and down because this technology is new, it's evolving, it's still maturing, and it's growing, and it's getting better. So you're going to have that because you're in early. I sleep well at night knowing that I've invested in great projects that have great utility. So make sure you do your own research, but this is how I feel about it. Okay, all right, now next let's talk about the XCAD network. The XCAD network is basically, it's a Zilliqa powered platform that enables the content creators to monetize their work, and at the same time they get to incentivize their fans to interact with them. So imagine if, like on YouTube, you have all these millions of content creators. They would be able to incentivize the people that support their channel and their fans by providing them with tokens or other different things when they interact with them. So XCAD network, I believe, is going to be some way that we interact with our followers. A lot of influencers, they will be using XCAD network so that they can actually monetize their content and at the same time incentivize the people that follow their channels. So XCAD is a big thing as well. Here's one of my favorite things, the Metaverse. Guys, Metaverse is going to be huge. The Metaverse is just an extension of what we already do, okay? It's just an extension of what we already do. Right now, if you want to buy some land on Sandbox or Decentraland, it costs $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. Metaverse is coming out. And I bet you're going to have an early opportunity to be able to get some things economically and a lot less expensive than Sandbox and Decentraland. Now, I own both Sandbox and Decentraland. I love both of those projects, but one thing that I know for a fact, and I'm going to show you some examples of it. Zilliqa's Metaverse, I think the graphics are superior. When I look at Sandbox and I look at Decentraland, their metaverses kind of look cartoonish. It kind of looks kiddish. When you look at the Zilliqa Metaverse, It is on point. It is beautiful. The graphics are, in my opinion, superior to Decentraland and Sandbox. And like I said, I own all three of these projects. Because I think they're all going to be winners. I think that they're going to appeal to different groups. For example, you have different neighborhoods in your city. You have some neighborhoods that are upscale, some neighborhoods that are middle of the road, and then you have some neighborhoods that may not be everything that you wish they were. Okay, so I think the metaverse is going to be the same way, and you're going to have different tiers and different levels of communities. One thing I'm going to say, Zilliqa's Metropolis is beautiful. You can see these pictures. They are outstanding. And again, in my opinion, they are superior to both Decentraland and Sandbox. And I think being an early investor in Zill is going to pay off big. It's going to pay off big. This is a best kept secret in my opinion. All right. Also, on top of that, Zill has low transaction fees, which is absolutely perfect. Okay. That's the technology. So remember, look at all this utility in Zill. Zilliqa has a lot of utility, a lot. Okay, let's move on to the team. The team is phenomenal. They have PhDs. Dr. Amrit, he was one of the co-founders. The team is just outstanding. They've been to the best schools. They've worked at some of the best places. The chief right now, the CEO, he's phenomenal. He just came on board. His name is Dr. Livenscheitz, I believe is the way you pronounce his name. He is impressive. He was a chief scientist at Brave Software. He's done a ton of work in cryptography. He is proven. This man is bringing innovation to the team in addition to the other team members, but he is absolutely proven. He knows what he's doing. He worked at Microsoft for a lot of years, doing a lot of work there. So the team at Zilliqa is on point, and I know that they're going to bring good things to this particular blockchain. Here's the thing that I love the most. Let's go into the tokenomics. Right now, and this is unbelievable. That's why I said it's the best kept secret, because we already know they have the Metapolis Metaverse coming on board. We already know they have XCAD. They have all these other things. They can do up to tens of thousands of transactions. They can scale because of their sharding technology. You can get one token for 4 cents, 4 pennies. 4 pennies. If you had $50, you could get about 1,250 Zill tokens. This is not financial advice. This is a steal. This is how you accumulate wealth, guys. This is how I'm accumulating wealth, okay? It's not a get-rich-quick scheme overnight. You're going to have to put some time in it. You're going to have to go with the ups and downs. I sleep well with my crypto and my digital investments, digital asset investments, because I know they're going to pay off. You've got to be patient. You've got to be patient. Make sure you understand your project that you're investing in. Also, understand it's going to be time. But guess what? 9 months, 12 months, 1 year, 2 years, it's going to go by fast. If you can buy a token for 4 cents today that has all of this utility, that's the best kept secret in crypto. Zilliqa is a phenomenally underpriced project, and now is the time when you accumulate, so that in 2 years, 3 years, when you wake up, you're going to say you either took the opportunity or you did not. Okay? So remember that. Now, the all-time high, Zill, once upon a time, back in May of 2021, it hit 26 cents. It hit 26 cents, okay? So it's down 80%. That means you're getting it at a steal. The market cap right now is about 564 million, which is not bad. And they rank 130 on CoinGecko by market cap, which is not bad. Because I'll look at the top 500. Remember, there's over 17,000 tokens. So I look at the top 500, and that's what I like to do in terms of buying my project. The circulating supply is also decent. The total supply is 21 billion, and the circulating supply is 14 billion, plus 2 other extras. Guys, you got to be staking your projects. You can stake Zilliqa, I currently stake it and I get about 14% interest. I stake mine on the Atomic Wallet. You can buy Zilliqa on crypto.com, which is one of my favorite exchanges. Watch my video, how to sign up for crypto.com. And then you can also buy it on Binance.us. Remember, Binance.us. So guys, Zilliqa blockchain is one of the best kept secrets in crypto. They've got that Metaverse. You're going to be able to get in early, purchase you some land. The Metaverse is coming, whether you buy into it or not. Okay, this is the best kept secret. Layer 1 blockchain. They have phenomenal sharding technology. They have the GZIL token, which gives the owners power and a voice in the network. And so there you go. That's what I have. Best kept secret in crypto. My name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Until next time.